Hello, networking enthusiasts. Welcome to the channel God of Networking. Today, I will show you how to configure port channel by allowing VLAN through that port channel. As we know, by default, all the ports of SONiC are in layer 3 because all the ports have assigned default IP addresses. Before starting this video, I had removed all the IP addresses from these ports. Now, first of all, I will configure switch S1. First, I will show you the status of IP interfaces by using show IP interfaces command. As we can see here in the table, port 0, 4 and 8 are not listed because default IP addresses have been removed. Now, I will create a port channel by using command sudo config port channel add port channel 0001. Oops, spelling are wrong. I always makes mistake. Now I will check the status of this port channel by using command show interfaces port channel. As we can see here in the table, port channel 0001 has been created. Now I will add ports in this port channel by using command sudo config port channel member add port channel 0001 ethernet 0. Now I will add ethernet 4. Again I will check the status of this port channel. As we can see here in the table, these ports have been added to this port channel. The main interesting thing that we must note is that these ports are shown as deselected. When we will configure same port channel on the switch S2, then these ports will be selected. Now I will save the configurations by using command sudo config save y. Now I will configure switch S2 by repeating the same steps. Oops. Sudo config port channel add port channel 0001. Now I will add ports to this port channel. Sudo config port channel member add port channel 0001 ethernet 0. Now ethernet 4. Now I will check the status of this port channel by using command show interfaces port channel. Oops, yeah, I always make this kind of mistake. Now as we can see here in the table, the status of LACP protocol is showing as up and these ports are shown as selected. Now I will save the configurations. Sudo config save y. Now I will check the status of this port channel on switch S1 by using command show interfaces port channel. Oh, on switch S1 also these ports are shown as selected and LACP status is shown as up. Now our first part of creating a port channel and assigning ports to that port channel has been completed. Now I will allow or pass that specific VLAN through this port channel. Now I will create VLAN sudo config VLAN at 10. Now sudo config VLAN member add 10 port channel 0001. Now I will create VLANs on port 0 and 4. Sudo config VLAN member add and tag then Ethernet 8. Now I will check the status of VLAN table. Show VLAN brief. Oh, as we can see here in the table, Ethernet 8 is shown as untagged because it is an access port, while port channel 0001 is shown as tagged because it is acting as a trunk port. Now I will save the configuration. Sudo config save by. Now I will go to switch S2. I will repeat the same commands here. Sudo config VLAN add 10. Sudo config VLAN member add 10. Port channel 0001. Sudo config VLAN member add untagged 10 Ethernet 8 because Ethernet 8 is an access port. Now I will check the status of VLAN table by using show VLAN brief command. As we can see here, same kind of configurations have been done on switch S2. Now I will save configurations here. Sudo config save by. Now I will generate a ping request from PC1 to PC2. Where is PC1? PC1. Oh, I have to open its terminal. Oh, now first of all, I will check the IP of this host by using command show IP. Oh, okay. Now I will generate a ping request from PC1 to PC2 by using command ping 192.168.10.3. Oh, as we can see here, PC1 is accepting packets from PC2. So our main goal of creating a port channel and then allowing a VLAN through that port channel has been done. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel.